Somehow it's late December here in Montana and we barely have any snow. The mountains do have some, so I thought I'd show you what my fat bike setup looks like right now. This is the RSD Mayer V5. I'm running 27.5 by 4.3 Terrene Yippee-Ki-Yays. I've got a Dior 11 to 51 tooth right here and a 28 tooth oval chain ring. Running a Bivo insulated water bottle. Keeps my water from freezing. 45 North Pogies up here. Testing these out. Then on the fork, this is the Manitou Mastodon Pro in a 120 mil. This trail is just packed by hikers and I can't say that I love the Mastodon on there right now. It's just a little over forked, a little slacker. It makes climbing just a little bit harder, but the descent is about to be really fun.